pip or pip3 to install packages for Python 3. I have a MacBook with OS X El Capitan. I think that Python 2.7 comes pre-installed on it. However, I installed Python 3.52. When I started using Python 3, I read that if I want to install a package, I should type. Anyway, now when I use, I get some underscore package installed for Python 3. I mean I can import it and use it without problems. Moreover, when I type just pip3 in the terminal, I got this message about the usage, which is the same message I get when I type just pip. Does it mean that in previous versions, things were different, and now pip and pip3 can be used interchangeably? If so, and for the sake of argument, how can I install packages for Python 2 instead of Python 3?
Your pip is a soft link to the same executable file path with pip3. You can use the commands below to check where your pip and pip3 real paths are. You may also use the commands below to know more details. When we install different versions of Python, we may create such soft links to set default pip to some version, make different links for different versions. It is the same situation with Python, Python 2, Python 3. More information below if you're interested in how it happens in different cases. macOS Homebrew, Fedora, CentOS, Debian, Ubuntu.
If you had Python 2.x and then installed Python 3, your pip will be pointing to pip3. You can verify that by typing pip version, which would be the same as pip3 version. On your system you have now pip, pip2 and pip3. If you want you can change pip to point to pip2 instead of pip3.
When you install Python 3, pip3 gets installed. And if you don't have another Python installation like Python 2.7, then a link is created which points pip to pip3. So pip is a link to pip3 if there is no other version of Python installed, other than Python 3. Pip generally points to the first installation.
By illustration. Thus, in my default system Python 3.7.3, pip is pip3.
I think pip, pip2 and pip3 are not soft links to the same executable file path. Note these commands and results in my Linux terminal. As you see, they exist in different paths. pip3 always operates on the Python 3 environment only, as pip2 does with Python 2. Pip operates in whichever environment is appropriate to the context. For example, if you are in a Python 3 env, pip will operate on the Python 3 environment.
Muito legal, fica sem morrer, se